secret. Something they don't teach you in your temple. The gods envy us. They envy us because we're mortal. Because any moment might be our last. Everything's more beautiful because we're doomed. You will never be lovelier than you are now. We will never be here again.
Hello and welcome to a cake design video featuring, what should we call it, an ode to ancient Greece and Rome. I did not come up with this cake design. It is trending right now, but I love it so much because it combines the beautiful buttercream Lambeth piping with this sugared fruit concept, which is such a cool way to incorporate fruit onto cakes because the texture of the sugar just really creates this marvelous effect. Now, when choosing the fruits for your cake, I do have some suggestions. Grapes, chef's kiss, spectacular. They obviously pay an homage to the wine and just the luxury of ancient times. So they're a necessity. Both green and purple, red, however you want to say it, work spectacularly. In fact, I used cotton candy green grapes and they're my favorite of all time. You cannot go wrong. I loved the pears that I put on this. I thought that was so cool. I've never seen a pear on a cake before. I have seen people use oranges as well, apples, anything with the skin works wonderfully. I made a crucial mistake that I tried to edit out, but I don't think I did successfully. You cannot use sugared strawberries because the moment you apply sugar to them, they start mushifying. And that's a technical term. And I thought it's something I knew, but I thought I could get away with it. I in fact could not beat the science system. So I do not recommend using strawberries. They're delicious to eat if you want to do that, but to incorporate onto the cake, make these even the day before if you'd like. You can refrigerate them and choose fruits with skins. Now, as far as the Lambeth piping goes, the only thing that I think is critical with this design is that you use the Wilton 2C tip or any large star tip to create those pillars. That is the most critical aspect of this design, and then from there you can kind of do whatever you want as long as you keep it in that cream, white, off-white color family. That's also a pretty important part to this, but I went off script a little bit and added a hint of pink with some hydrangeas in a buttercream frame. As you will see, it's a really fun effect and a great way to not use fondant and keep it all delicious. So that's an idea. But I think those are the most important things: the sugared fruit with skins and the pillars, the buttercream pillars. So other than that, I think you can have a lot of fun with this cake. Make it your own any way that you'd like. It is trending, so this is a fun thing to practice if you're just getting into it. And anyway, I hope you enjoyed the cake. We're going to go from start to finish, and I hope you recreate it. I'd love to see your version. And that's all. I'm going to be quiet now so you can watch the video. Okay, bye.